Hey guys, what's going on? This is the chef from Delicious Cakery. I was going to deliver a video today about quiche, as you can see here, but DaVinci Resolve kept crashing. I lost some files, so I have to go back to my hard drives to recollect some stuff and try to add those clips back in. So you guys will have to get the quiche video another week. I have, if for some odd reason, because my computer sucks, I'm in the middle of trying to upgrade, but it's really slow. And I've been complaining about this computer for a while now, ever since I've been editing. So what I will try my best to do is deliver a different video next week and try to deliver this quiche video as well because I'm about 85% complete. So stay tuned. Thank you for your patience. Bye.